Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set someone as a follower here in Basecamp. It is actually pretty easy. Just go and log into your Basecamp account, and once you're in here, go to the top right, click on Admin Land, alright, which is below your profile picture. Click on it and make sure, of course, you are the admin of this account or project, okay? Now in here, click on Manage People. You can click on it, and once done, for example, I am the owner right here, and I have my teammates, freelancers, or my workmates right here below the list, okay? So what we'll do is just select one, click on the three dots, and then click on Change Access, okay? So to set someone as a follower here in Basecamp, all you need to do is make sure to select the correct project, okay? For example, I have here this project named YouTube Tutorial. This person right here got access to the project, means he or she can open it up, and then as you can see here, it says on the project. That means he or she can work on the tools that is within the project. Now again, to set someone as a follower, just click on it and then just click on just following. All right, and then once that's done, hit on Save Changes for this person, wait for it to load, and once that's done, it says here Ryan R's access is changed. All right, and that is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.